begin the broadcast with the latest. Day 2 of questioning. Intense grilling of Rhea Chakrabarti is over. We have been told that the CBI officials grilled her for almost 7 hours today. In fact, Rhea Chakrabarti just reached back home about 5 minutes ago. Times Now has learned that she was questioned regarding the financial transactions and her drug chats. Sources are telling Times Now that today Rhea Chakrabarti was questioned together with Pithani and Miranda, and in fact Shouvik, Rhea's brother, was quizzed separately. Times Now also tried to ask her some questions, but she left without answering. Take a look at the sequence.
The second vehicle is that of Rhea Chakrabarti, not the first vehicle. The second vehicle is of Rhea Chakrabarti. There you see Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, what really happened? Rhea, what really happened, Rhea? Rhea, what really happened in the second day? Are they calling you again, Rhea? Are they calling you again? Rhea, are they calling you again? Rhea, are they calling you again? The second vehicle is that of Rhea Chakrabarti, not the first vehicle. The second vehicle is of Rhea Chakrabarti. There you see Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, how was the second day? Rhea, what really happened? Rhea, what really happened, Rhea? Rhea, what really happened in the second day? Are they calling you again, Rhea? Are they calling you again? Rhea, are they calling you again? Rhea, are they calling you again?
All right, let's go across to my colleagues Siddhant and Wajiullah joining us in the broadcast. Siddhant, day 2 of the intense grilling is over. We've been told that several questions on financial transactions along with documents were asked today to Rhea Chakrabarti, and in fact the focus was on the drug angle.
Well, that's absolutely right, Swati. Right now we are at Rhea's residence in Juhu, and there you see that is Rhea's building. Where you can see the media contingent is standing right outside after almost 8 hours of intense grilling. She has left the CBI base camp in Kalina. Now we have been confirmed by our sources in CBI that today she was confronted with the evidences, the chats, as far as the narco angle is concerned, as far as drugs angles are concerned. At the same time, we've also been confirmed that she was confronted with Samuel Miranda, and they were confronted with the evidences the Central Bureau of Investigation has, and we have also been told that the financial angle was something which CBI was especially looking into. So today was the second day of questioning with Rhea and Shouvik, and other characters were also inside the CBI base camp.
Right.
Keshav, Neeraj, Siddharth Pithani, Dipesh. We have also been told that Siddharth Pithani and Dipesh are giving testimonies against her. So surely the trouble seems to mount more for Rhea Chakrabarti and Shouvik Chakrabarti.
All right, let's also go across to Wajiullah. We are also being told that Rhea, Miranda and Siddharth Pithani were grilled together, that they were confronted with each other, but Shouvik Chakrabarti was kept in a separate room.
Well, yes, Swati, the reason why I think this might have been done to piece together what they've said, because we've been seeing how Neeraj, Pithani and Dipesh have been called time and again, and this was the second questioning round for Rhea Chakrabarti. So they wanted to see whether the statement given by these 4 matches to what Rhea Chakrabarti is saying, and the statement that they've given to the Mumbai police and to the Enforcement Directorate is in line with what she's telling the CBI right now. But from what we've learned from our sources, that there are a lot of inconsistencies in their statement from what they've told to the Enforcement Directorate, the Mumbai Police and to the CBI. Time and again, Neeraj and Siddharth Pithani has been called again and again. This clearly gives you an indication that all the statement that the CBI is getting is inconsistent, and that is why they're calling them again and grilling them with each other and trying to find out who is saying what and who is lying over here. So this is a form of grilling that the CBI has taken in consideration as of now. But from now we've got to know that they have left from the CBI office, Shouvik and Rhea, after 6 hours of questioning. Mostly the questioning was on the line of the drug and the financial angle.
Right.
It now remains to be seen if the CBI will give us a clearer picture on what actually happened that day or not.
Absolutely. Siddhant and Wajiullah, thank you very much for joining us with those details. We'll keep